other than Mr. Leander Paes, who has been a living legend of the Indian tennis with 18 Grand Slam titles to his name and an Olympic bronze medal in singles from the 1996 Atlanta Games as well. So it's our immense pleasure and proud that we are here today celebrating the 39th Youth National Basketball Championship for Boys and Girls 2024, and we have with us Mr. Leander Paes. So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for him? And now I would like to call the dignitaries on the stage. Mr. Kulwinder Singh Gill, the Secretary General of BFI, Mr. Adav Arjuna, the President of the BFI, Dr. V. Raghatham, the Secretary of the BFI Pondicherry, and of course we have with us Leander Paes and Abir Chatterjee, a person, a living legend who doesn't need any introduction. We have with us Mr. Cole and Mr. Donald, the VP, the Vice President of the BFI. So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for these dignitaries and also for our chief guests out here. Thank you. The cheer should be louder. We have Mr. Abir Chatterjee with us. Come on guys, come on ladies and gentlemen. It's my absolute pleasure to be a part of this prestigious event organized by the Basketball Federation of India and the West Bengal Basketball Association. So today we celebrate not only the spirit of competition, but I guess we are all celebrating here today the passion, the perseverance, and the sportsmanship that basketball inspires across the nation. So joining us are some of the finest young athletes from every corner of India, ready to leave their mark on this championship. Started by welcoming all our state team boys and girls to the court, as we can already see that they are in the queue. So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause as these stars of tomorrow take their places, showcasing the diversity and the unity of our nation. And now it's time for the Kolkata Police Band to perform on the ground. Thank you everybody. Thank you to the Kolkata Police Band for such a wonderful performance. Thank you. It's now the time for my honor to welcome our distinguished chief guests and the dignitaries who have joined us today for this grand occasion. So ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute pleasure to introduce the two extraordinary individuals who have not only inspired the countless people, including me myself, with their exceptional achievements. So first I would like to welcome Mr. Leander Paes, a living legend of the Indian tennis with 18 Grand Slam titles to his name and an Olympic bronze medal in singles from the 1996 Atlanta Games. Mr. Paes has not only brought this immense pride to our nation, but he is actually a true icon of resilience and testament of his hard work and excellence, and his contributions to the Indian sport is something can never be unmatched. So let's give a big and a huge round of applause for him again. Thank you everybody. And now we are welcoming a very, the face of the Bengali cinema, Mr. Abir Chatterjee, who is also one of the most celebrated actors of our time. He's one of my personal favorites as well. I see a lot of your movies, so I'm a great fan of yours. And also that the portrayals and the kind of cinemas that he has been doing lately, starting from the Byomkesh Bakshi and to Feluda, Mr. Chatterjee has captivated the audience with his charisma and versatility. A star in every sense of the word, and he continues to leave a lasting impact on the Indian cinema. So ladies and gentlemen, let's extend our heartfelt gratitude and give them the warmest welcome for the gracious evening that they have come here today and be present here with us. Thank you everybody. And lastly, we extend a heartfelt welcome to the esteemed officials from the Basketball Federation of India and the West Bengal Basketball Association, whose tireless efforts have brought the championship that we are celebrating, the 39th Youth National Championship Boys and Girls 2024, to life. The felicitation that we are giving here today is just a way of appreciating their time and their presence to be here today with us, and it's a mark of respect and gratitude. I would like to invite the President of the WBBA, Mr. V. Soleiman Nesha Kumar, IBPS, to deliver the welcome address and officially set the tone for this historic championship that is going to take place. And now I would request all the team players out here to kindly stand for the flag hoisting ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Come on. This is actually a testament of the resilience and the hard work that these people has put for a long, long time to make this event a grand success. And I wish all the players out here who has joined us today for the 39th Youth National Basketball Championship that this championship is going to pave a way to your hard work and resilience. And of course, you will enjoy the City of Joy. And now it's the inauguration of the championship by the chief guest we have with us. And now it's the moment that we have actually been waiting for. So I request the chief guests, Mr. Abir Chatterjee and Mr. Leander Pace, to step forward and officially inaugurate the championship.
We declare the 39th Youth National Basketball Championships for Boys and Girls 2024 open.
Can we have a huge round of applause? Come on. We'll see these balloons fly high, and so we think that to all the players out here who has paved their way to come here to participate in this championship will be a grand success. So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for all the players out here for making their way to this championship, and I believe that their hard work will pave a lot and lots of success to the championship and to individuals as well. And now I would request the President of the BFI, the Basketball Federation of India, to kindly address the players out here and to the people who have been waiting to listen to you and the way that you have brought this championship to life. We would love to hear from you, sir. And now I would request none other than Mr. Abir Chatterjee to kindly come over and to address us with his incredible thoughts and the way that he has carved the Indian cinema. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Abir. And now I would like to call Mr. Leander Pace to kindly address us. And ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Good evening, everyone. It is a great honor to be here on Red Road at these very basketball courts, taking the time to inspire the youth of our country. God bless all of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. And now it's time to sit back and relax because we have got this delightful performance. So first up, we have the basketball demonstration by the kids, showcasing their budding talent and enthusiasm for the sport. And guess what? We have the Baliganj Shiksha Sadhan School, the BSS, for the basketball demonstration. So ladies and gentlemen, ek zordar taaliyan ho jaye. And now it's time to change the mood a bit and let's dive into the culture program dance by the students of the La Martiniere School. So we are here to witness a vibrant and an energetic performance that will take us straight to the heart of Gujarat. Garba एक ऐसा traditional dance माना जाता है which is all about devotion and joy because it is performed in a circle that symbolizes the life of the eternal circle. It is actually honoring Goddess Durga, and this dance is filled with so much rhythmic claps, graceful spins and deep spiritual energy. So ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting to you the Garba dance from the La Martiniere School. So get ready to be captivated by the vibrant energy, and of course, अगर गरबा हो रहा है तो rhythm और dance तो होगा ही, right? So let the celebration begin. That was super amazing.
So as
So as we are near to the end of the ceremony, so let's just light up the evening with a spectacular display of firecrackers. And this moment is actually a tribute to the fiery spirit and of the game, and of course the players and the dedication behind them for reaching here to the 39th Youth National Basketball Championship 2024. So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause? So ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude this event and the ceremony, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone and to each and every people out here who have made this event possible. And a special thank you to our chief guest, Mr. Abhi Chatterjee, and our special guest, Mr. Leander Pace, for their gracious presence. Your contributions to your respective fields continue to inspire generations like us. So thank you to all the dignitaries, sponsors, teams, and most importantly our audience for your enthusiasm and support. I would request all the teams out here to kindly be seated because Mr. Adav Arjuna is now going to address the captains of the team, and that's a blast from the 39th Youth National Basketball Championship 2024.